Good morning student, this is your science period. Today I will explain you lesson 5, the nerve system in science. Lesson 5, the nerve system. First of all, we have to understand this. Solve the following riddles on the body parts. Write your answers in the blanks. The first is, it has a lid that closes and opens but is not a tin or box. It gets closed every night so that you can sleep and relax. What is this? This is eyes. We know that eyes gets closed every night so that we can sleep and relax. So in these blanks you have to write eyes. Second is, it helps you know all the music beats. You can lend them to someone without any downbeats. What is this? This is ears. Because we know that ears help us know all the music beats, which we can lend them to someone without any downbeats. Next one is, it tells you when your mother cooks food from afar and helps you breathe and know about the smoke from a car. What is this? This is nose. You have to write nose in these blanks. Next is, it helps you know if something is sweet or bitter and also lets you communicate with others better. What is this? This is tongue. You have to write tongue in these blanks. Because we know that tongue help us know if something is sweet or bitter and also let us communicate with others better. So in this first blanks you have to write eyes. In second blanks you have to write ears. In third blanks you have to write nose. And in fourth blanks you have to write tongue. Now we have to understand about the nerve system. Whenever we run, we breathe rapidly and our heart beats faster. We also start to sweat. Student, we know that when we run, we breathe rapidly and our heartbeat also beat very faster and we also start to sweat. It is our nerve system who decides to send more blood to muscles and more oxygen to the body. All the organ systems in the body are controlled by the nerve system. All the organ system in our body are controlled by nerve system. The nerve system also controls our sense organs. Student, we know that we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin, and these the nerve system controls our sense organs. The nerve system has 3 parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Let us study about the different part of the nerve system one by one. Student, this is a picture of the nerve system. In this picture, we can see that this is brain, this is spinal cord, and these which is shown here, these are nerves. Now we have to understand about brain. Brain is the main organ of the nerve system. It is the control center of our body. We know that brain is the main organ of the nerve system and it is control center of our body also. The brain receives messages from different parts of our body, processes these messages and send instructions based on these messages. The brain is protected in the skull. Skull is a place where brain is protected. A spatial fluid is present. A spatial fluid is present between the skull and the brain. This fluid protects the brain from shock and injuries. The brain looks like a walnut. If you want to know how brain looks alike, so the brain looks like a walnut. And the adult brain weighs around 1.4 kg. It is the size of our 2 fist. It is made of millions of tiny cells called neurons. Our brain is made of 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the medulla or the brain stem.